I'm going to attempt to teach you guys this routine. It was a request from a follower on Facebook, Paul. Thank you, Paul. This was a little bit more challenging than I expected. It's quite long. So the dance, look, I have no idea who the group are, where they're from. I really don't know. I'd be guessing China, but I don't want to presume. But definitely appears to be an Asian country. And they're I think it's quite a large group of people shuffling together, and they look amazing. And it reminds me of those other videos you see where the principal and all the children are all like shuffling in perfect unison, like at assembly. It's amazing. So we're going to learn this today. To be honest, I don't know what song it goes with, because the music that Reel is using is Staying Alive, but it's obviously not the music they've used because they go out of time. So I haven't yet chosen the music I'm going to do with this. So we're just going to learn the moves, and then you can practice it and you can dance it to any music that you want. For now, we're just going to learn the moves. So it's a shuffle routine. If you've not done any shuffling, I'm not going to take you through the basics of how to shuffle. It's too hard. This is going to take too long. I'm just going to teach you the moves. So if you still need help with beginner shuffling, then I would suggest my beginner shuffle course via my website. So that is where we'll go through how to do the little bouncing, the micro bounces. We'll learn the running man. We'll learn a bunch of stuff that will help you with this. So this is probably not going to be for beginners. I apologize. If you've done my shuffle course, people out there who have, this one is going to be perfect for you guys. Okay, here we go. So we're going to start with jumping back here and lifting our right leg. So it looks like one and then jump back onto it, jump back onto it. 3 running man, 2, 3, then heel up, jump back, jump back. Yeah? All right, so from the back, it looks like heel up, then 1, 2, 3, running man, 2, 3, heel up, 1 and 2 and. Yeah? Oh, I know it's going to be tricky. So back up, 1, 2, running man, heel up, back, back. Yeah? One more time slowly. So back up. 1 here, 2 here, 3 running man, 2, 3, heel up, back, forward, back, forward. All right, that's the first section. Let's do it a little bit faster. 3 and 4 and 1, 2, running man, heel up, back for 2. Yeah, one more time, a little bit faster. 3 and 4 and back, running man, heel up, back for 2. Yes, okay, that's the first section. Just keep running that. I'll put them in little chunks so you can see where the first section stops, second section starts. Okay, that was the first section. Second section, we're going to do 3 running men starting on the left. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the arms go like this. So 3 running men, easy. 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I forget, I'm really bad at this. I forget if this is the T step. I think it's the T step. So remember, we're just going to tap, and we're going to move our feet. We're going to rotate the foot we're standing on. So we've done 3 running men with the left, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. So they kind of do it, they actually kind of do it with their foot behind. So they've done 3 running men, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so tap behind and rotate this foot. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and look, we don't have to be spot on. It's just about having fun. So if you want to do it here to the side, totally fine. Okay, so 3 running man left, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 running man right. Then this way, 2, 3. Yep, second section. That's it. Second section done. Let me face this way and do it. So starting with the left leg, running man. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and they kind of move it around the floor a little bit. That's the second section. Let's quickly run first section, second section together. All right, here we go. So we're coming in on the forehand. Forehand, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Running man. 3, heel up, step it back, step it back. Running man by 3, 2, 3. 3 T-steps, 2, 3. 3 running man with the right, 2, 3 T-steps this way. Yep, great. This is going to be express. We're doing this one express, guys. So we're finished here. I'm going to do 3 running man again. 1, 2, 3. Yep, starting left again. Then you're going to go scuff, heel, behind, side. And again, this is moving as well. So 3 running man left, 3, scuff, heel, heel, heel. So as you're doing these, you're doing this again. So it's the same, kind of the same movement, but we're doing the different direction with the foot. So scuff, heel, behind, to the side. Yeah? Left, 2, 3, scuff, heel, heel, heel. Right for 3, scuff, heel, heel, heel. Yeah? I'm not even doing it perfectly. Let's go this side. So running man with the left, 1, 2, 3. You're going to scuff it through, heel, heel, toe. Sorry, heel, toe, toe. And then right, 2, 3. Scuff it through, heel, behind, side. Yeah, it gets a bit faster. I mean, a bit easier when you do it faster. That whole foot thing. Okay, so let's put section 2 and 3 together. Starting with the running man, left leg. Okay, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Tap it to the side or behind, whatever you like. 3 with the right, 2, 3. Here, here, here. 3 more running man. 2, scuff it forward, scuff, heel, behind, side. Running man by 3. Scuff it here, here, behind, side. Yes, okay. Take a breath, grab a drink. Okay, so from there, we've done the scuff, scuff in front, behind, side. 3 more running man again. 1, 2, 3. This time it's out, behind, side. Scuff it round. So after you've done your tap this way, 1, 2, 3. Out, behind, side, scuff. 1, 2, 3. Out, behind, side, scuff. 1, 2, 3. Okay? It's actually not too bad when you break it down. So we're starting again with another 3 lots of running man. Left, right, left. This time we're going side, back, side, turn, scuff, like that. So 1, 2, 3, scuff. So that you're back facing the front. So side, back, side. As you do the side, push yourself around, scuff the foot to get you to the front. And then 3 running man, 2, 3, side, back, side, scuff. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Getting it? Let me do it this way. So we've just finished, our forward, forward, behind, here. Yep, so we're doing 3 running man, 2, 3, side, back, side, scuff it round. 1, 2, 3, side, back, side, scuff it round. So that's, what's that? 1, 2, 3. That's the 4th section. Let's recap. Let's recap the sections. The first one is our opening one. Yeah, here, 3 running mans. Yes? Second section, they all start with the left leg running man. 3 running man, 2, 3, and T-step. Yep. 3 running man, T-step. Third section, 3 running man, scuff, here, here, here. 3 running man, scuff, heel, behind, side. Yes? Fourth section, 3 running man, 2, 3. Side, back, side, scuff. 3 running man, side, back, side, scuff. All right, that's the 4 sections. It's not too bad, you just need to practice it. Okay, fifth section. A little more trickier because we have a bit of a change in direction. But we've just finished, so we've come side, back, side, scuff. So 1, 2, 3. On those 3 running man, the first 3 running man, you're going to turn and face the side. So you've gone left, right, left. You're going to go heel, back. Yeah, so heel, back. So pop the right heel out, heel, pop on the left, then back and put the left down and jump back onto it. So flick the heel out, flick the right heel out, so it looks like this. Flick it out here, back here. Yeah? Heel, back here, but you're facing the side. So we've gone running man, running man, running man, heel, back, and then you're going to do one more heel. And I didn't do this very good in my remix, but that's okay. You do one more heel to the front before we then do this cute little move where we turn around in a circle. So come from the 3 running mans. So start with the left. So 1, 2, 3, heel up, back up, face the front a little bit and do another right heel onto it. Yep, so it's right heel up, jump back, put the left heel out, jump onto it, then put the right heel out, jump onto it. Yep, so right up, back, here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, so you're just tapping, bouncing, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is, what did I say? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th section. So we've just finished our scuff and our turn around, yeah? So we're starting with our 3 running man on the left. 1, 2, 3. So it's right up, back, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all right, this is the only time actually where we're gonna do 4 running man instead of 3. I was just checking it. So after we've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, because we should be on our right leg to do the usual routine, we're gonna start with left and do 4, and we're gonna turn to face right. So it's gonna be left running man, right, 2, 3, and then the same thing we did on that side, but on the opposite leg. So kick the left out, back, here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, pretty easy. So run that 5th section with me, starting with running man to the left, just by 3. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, right up, back, right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 running man, starting with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now kick the left up, back, jump onto it, face the front a bit and do another left heel and jump onto it. Yep. Do that again. So it's left, flick it up, back, put the right one out, jump onto it, then right heel, jump onto it, then spinning around again, 3, 4, then just running man, 2, 3, 4, then go back, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. Did you see that? Nearly collapsed. And that's it. That's the whole thing, guys. Oh, it's quickish though, but once you know the moves, it doesn't feel too bad. So let's try it from the top. I'll try and call it out as we go. All right, so, right. So the first section, here we go. 3 and 4 and 1, 2, running man by 3, 2, 3, heel up, jump it back, great. Section 2, running man by 3, 2, T-step, 1, 2, 3, running man by 3, 2, 3, T-step, 2, 3, great. Section 3, running man, 1, 2, 3, scuff it forward, heel, behind, to the side. Don't forget the foot down here, sorry. Right foot, three running mans, 1, 2, 3, scuff it forward, heel, behind, to the side. Section 4, running man, 1, 2, 3, side, back, side, scuff it round. Don't forget your yeehaw arm. And 1, 2, 3, side, back, side, yeehaw. All right, section 5, left. Rotate the running man, 1, 2, 3, heel up, back, heel to the front, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, running man, 2, 3, 4, heel up, back, heel to the front, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, running man on the spot. Oh, 4, running man, moving back. 2, 3, 4. Whoa. Okay, I'm officially tired. All right, hopefully that is at least enough to start on. Paul, thank you for the request. I hope that is sort of manageable. Just remember to go slowly. Just repeat each of the sections until you feel confident with them. As I mentioned, if you need help with basic shuffle moves to get you started, then I think either my shuffle course or just, Google some beginner shuffle moves, and there's plenty of free stuff as well. But yes, if you do the course, you also get access to my Facebook group where I can help you more, answer questions, blah, blah, blah. All right, guys, thanks if you stuck around, and I will see you in the next dance tutorial.